Hi there, Scott Monday, co-founder and CEO of KitchenCRATE, and I'm here with Kathy Salvatore. Kathy is a customer from 2013, and she'd like to share a little bit with you at home about what went on during her kitchen project. So Kathy, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Scott. Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, well, thank you. So why don't you tell the folks here a little bit about your kitchen before KitchenCRATE happened? Like what did it look like before we got there?
Oh, it was dated. It was, I guess, modern to this point of 2006. It had, just basic kitchen attire. It wasn't great. It didn't have any pop, no pizzazz. It didn't speak. It didn't flow with the rest of the house. So it needed some help.
Okay. And what about the KitchenCRATE concept really resonated with you? Why did you decide to use us?
Because I need quick. When I make a decision, I want it done now, and there isn't a lot of room for error, and I don't like disruption, and so I needed it quickly. I needed someone I could depend on, and I needed a crew that I could trust in my house.
Okay. Now, speaking of quick, you were credited with giving me one of the kind of biggest scares of my career. Why don't you tell the folks a little bit about sort of your expectation on how quickly we're going to start the job?
Sure, and it was unreasonable out of the beginning. Right out of the gate, it was difficult. I had a playoff party. I had 30 people in my house, saw my kitchen one way. I decided I wanted KitchenCRATE to come in and redo something. I gave you less than 7 days technically. Before Super Bowl, I needed it done. So when the whole group came back, it was an entirely different kitchen.
Right. So just to
Crazy.
recap, you called me 10 days before you needed the project done, authorized the contract, and we then had to scramble to make it happen. Did it happen?
It happened.
Okay.
It happened. It's beautiful.
Were you surprised?
I was surprised. I was worried. I was worried.
I was worried too.
I was worried. I was scared. I didn't know if it could be done in 7 days, let alone less than 10. I thought I gave you a little more time, but you guys got it done.
Great,
Yeah,
great. So tell me this, what do people say about the kitchen now that they see it? Now that they see that custom granite top, the full mosaic backsplash, what do they say when they see that masterpiece you have?
Wow. It really is wow, and it's a bit breathtaking because it flows so well with the rest of the house. They ask who did it, how quickly it got done, and they know that if I did it, it was probably a good process, even though it wasn't fair to you in the beginning. But they're actually blown away. They're like, are you kidding? 7 days or less. And I said, 7 days or less.
Nice. Well, if you'd like to check out Kathy's house, see the time-lapse video of how the project actually came together in such a short period of time, see the before and after pictures, just go to www.mykitchencrate.com. You'll see Kathy's house, you'll see about 35 other projects from this year, and we'd love for you to be able to experience that. Once again, www.mykitchencrate.com. Kathy, thanks for sharing with us today.
Thanks for getting it done.
Yeah, no problem. All right.
All right.